Hi friends, I'm Crockdilo. Do you like colors? Let's paint, draw, and make some art together. Let's make art, paint today with red and yellow, splash away. Blue and green, let's mix it to a rainbow just for me and you. Brush, 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 up and down, paint some circles all around. Swirl, 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 side to side, let the colors dance and glide.
Dip your brush, don't be shy. Paint the sun up in the sky. Add some clouds, make them white. Now our art is shining bright.
Crockdilo says,
let's add more fun.
Maybe stars
or a yellow sun.
Shapes and colors everywhere. Let's make art with love and care. Crayons, markers, paper too. So many things that we can do. Draw a house, a tree, a heart. We're all artists making art. Wow, that's beautiful, friends!
Every color is special,
Just like you!
See you next time with Crockdilo.